I just want to inform you on behalf of all of us that today we have a Pradesh Election Committee. Out of 60 seats, we have cleared 40 seats. Like we told you before, that we have cleared 40 candidates, and the rest 20, we will have a meeting after a week. Out of these 40, 36 in Khasi and Giant Hills, we have cleared 26. And 24 in Garo Hills, we have cleared 14. So 10 from Garo Hills and 10 from Khasi and Giant Hills, we will have a second sitting. This is what we want. The details of the names of the constituencies, I think we'll give you in the soft copy. Sanjay will give you in a soft copy. And normally these cannot be declared by us because we only clear it, but the names will be announced from Delhi. But we want to be transparent to all of you so that we don't mind sharing you all the consensus and even the names. Out of these 40 candidates, happy to inform you and proud to inform you, 8 will be the ladies. I think none of the parties will have so many ladies. 8 out of 40 means 20% are for the ladies. And proud to say that some ladies are highly qualified and very hardworking also in the society, including Madame Devara, which is here only. And very nice this time because maybe I am an engineer, so many engineers are in the fray. Almost 6 engineers are contesting this time. And we have almost masters who have done, almost 8 of them have done their masters in this, and PhD and doctor. But unfortunately, only one MD doctor who is with us fighting the elections. So engineers are more this time and doctors less this time. So these are the things which we have decided today. The main thing which we are looking this time is that, as you are all aware that there is a big failure in the government in terms of providing enough electricity to the public. Actually, the demand is almost almost 120 crores units in a year. Oh no, sorry, the generation is only 120 crores unit in a year, whereas the demand is 180 crores.